Hey air fry lovers, today I'm going to show you how we do our quick and easy jerk chicken using our Ninja Foodi. So first we like to remove the skin from the chicken. We like to have it without. I mean, you can keep it on, it doesn't really matter, but I guess we just like it without. So before camera, just to let you know, we did wash the chicken and dry it. So you can add that step in if you want. Once the skin has been removed, we like to make a little cut by the bone and then sort of throughout, just to sort of make it like a steak. It's just easier to cook, and that's why we do it. So yeah. So just to let you know, before you come for me, the jerk sauce is pre-bought. So I'm sorry, we do have a baby that is 3 months old, so you can understand we want to do something quick and easy. So we just marinate it now with some onion powder, some garlic powder, and of course the pre-bought jerk sauce. For better results, I would recommend marinating it for at least 24 hours just so that it's extra nice. I mean, you don't have to if you're in a rush, but I would definitely recommend. So as you can see, this is what it looks like after. It looks good, except it's raw, so don't eat it here. And then we'll move on to grilling. So now we're going to grill. Press grill, and it will tell me to shut the lid. Just wanted to show you guys. So now we shut. Press grill, and you select the time. On one steak goes, on the other goes. See if we can fit another one. We do need to do 4, but we'll just have to fit where we can, right? So looks like we can get an extra one on there. Let's just do that. Try and fit it where we can. Cool. So now we're going to shut it, and sorry about that. We're going to shut it, and I'm going to put it for 10 minutes. Reason being, I want to check it. And here we go. Start. Oh, hello, chicken. That looks really nice. I'm just going to flip one just to see if we need to flip one, because I've never actually used the grill function before, but I can tell you now that this looks like it's ready. I am going to slice it open just to see if I can see any pink bits, but we cut it really thin, so you shouldn't do. That looks like it's done to me. Yeah. See, I'm going to leave it in a little bit extra just because I like it really brown. Right, and but it is perfectly cooked, but let's keep going. A couple minutes. There we go. There you have it. As you can see, it looks really juicy. It wasn't dry, promise you. I hate dry chicken, so definitely wasn't dry whatsoever. We just did some chips with it, and that's it. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want to see some more.